Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to Ledger and Lace. Today I wanted to do a quick show and tell of a present that I made. This is a candle and I did the printing on fabric on the muslin technique. And then this is for my friendie who is a bit of a Southern belle and she loves all things Victorian. And she gave me she gave me this lace, so I was trying to incorporate as much as I could. So the gift card is a miniature little dance card, and I put it on elastic if she wants to take it off, but it's covering up the instructions for how candles work, because just in case you didn't know, you can read about, keep away from things that catch fire. Good to know. What else? This is a button from Mom's Button tin, and I embroidered here with embroidery thread, and that's more the lace she gave me. She's a bit of a Southern belle, and we've been friends for about 30 years, I guess, and we've done a lot of traveling together. And one time we were in New York, and it was Friday night, and I'm taking her down Broadway, and she says, "Oh my, look over yonder." And I just thought, oh my gosh, it's so D and it's so Southern, and it's everything I adore about her. So anyway, this is a candle for her, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.